Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Shimano Nexus Inter 7 gear hub. That it is, Inter 7. Let's adjust it. So let's go on the right side at the area of your chain, and there you can see on the top side there is the gearbox. And on top of the gearbox there is a window. In this window there is one red or yellow stripe. Let's go to the shift lever and then shift to gear number 4. There's gear number 4, and it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and there it is. You can see gear number 4 has a dot on the left side. There it is. Good job. That means gear number 4 is the hub adjustment adjustable setup position for this hub. So let's go back to the hub again and have a look. There are a second red line, as you can see. These two lines have to become to one line. Then your gearbox is optimal, in the optimal setup. This is not the optimal setup. Let's go and adjust it a little bit. For this, we have to go back to the front to the gear lever. There it is. On top is a line. This line has adjusting wheel, and you can lift it up and then rotate it. Now you can rotate it to the front side or to the back side. In one side it will match and bring the two lines in one or to one line. Let's go back and have a look. And there it is. There's one line left. That means the bows are in one line now, and that means the gearbox is in a well set up position and you are going to shift smooth and gentle. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.